Don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools needed relating to today's solution. If you own a 2017 to 2020 F-150 or a 2018 to 2020 Mustang with the 10R80 transmission, listen up. Ford just updated a technical service bulletin, TSB 25-2126, about some real transmission headaches. This isn't a recall, so they're not fixing everyone's truck for free, but it is official guidance to help you and your dealer fix harsh or delayed shifting, clunking into gear, or a check engine light related to transmission codes. Let's break down those symptoms so you know exactly what to look for. Harsh or delayed shifting means you might feel a strong jolt or jerk when your truck or Mustang changes gears, especially when accelerating from a stop or merging onto the highway. Some drivers report a noticeable hesitation where the engine revs, but the transmission takes a second or two to actually shift, leaving you with a laggy, unresponsive feel. Clunking into gear is another big one. You might hear or feel a loud bang or thud when shifting from park to drive or reverse, or even between lower gears while driving in traffic. It can feel like the whole drivetrain is slamming into place. And then there's the check engine light. Many owners see it pop up with transmission-related codes like P07A3 or P17E1, often after experiencing rough shifts or jerky acceleration. P07A3 typically points to a clutch component issue, while P17E1 often relates to transmission shift timing problems. Sometimes the light comes on after a particularly hard shift or a sudden loss of power. Plan for about 11 to 13 hours of labor, so if you're out of warranty, this isn't a cheap fix. Now let's talk about what owners are actually seeing when it comes to dealership repair costs for this TSB. Online reports show that prices can vary a lot. Some owners have been quoted as low as $1,500, while others have seen estimates over $4,000. The final cost depends on whether you're still under warranty, your dealer's labor rates, and how quickly they can get the parts. A few owners have managed to negotiate partial coverage or discounts after talking things over with their dealer, so it's definitely worth asking. So what's really going on inside the transmission? Ford found that axial movement in the CDF clutch cylinder sleeve can cause hydraulic leaks. That's what leads to those nasty shifting problems, fluid pressure drops, and the transmission can't engage gears smoothly. The dealer fix? They'll pressure test the transmission, and if they find a leak, it's a big job, removing and replacing the CDF clutch cylinder and related parts. Now let's talk about what real owners are saying online. On Reddit and Ford forums, there are tons of threads about these issues. Some people describe their trucks as bucking like a Bronco when shifting, or say, "It felt like I got rear-ended every time it went into second gear." Others mention the anxiety of seeing the check engine light come on during a road trip, only to have the dealer confirm it's a transmission code. After getting the TSB fix, many owners report a huge improvement. One F-150 owner wrote, "After the repair, my truck shifts like butter, no more clunks, no more hesitation." Another Mustang driver said, "The check engine light hasn't come back and the car finally feels normal again." But not everyone is thrilled. A few owners say the fix didn't completely solve their issues, or that the transmission still feels a bit rough at times. One forum user commented, "It's better, but I still get the occasional hard shift, just not as often." Some also mention long wait times for parts or high out-of-pocket costs if they're out of warranty. Most folks had it covered under warranty, but if you're out of warranty, definitely ask your dealer about costs and goodwill coverage. Some owners have had luck getting partial coverage or discounts after explaining their situation. So what should you do? First, check if your Ford matches the years and models. If you're seeing rough shifts, jerky acceleration, hesitation between gears, or a transmission light, mention TSB 25-2126 and NHTSA 1101691 at your dealer. And again, everything I mentioned, tools, parts, and more, are linked below. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment down below with your experience. Share your story. Did the TSB fix your Ford, or are you still having issues? Thanks for watching.